What if one skill could open doors to some of today's fastest-growing careers? That skill is AWS, Amazon Web Services, the backbone of cloud computing worldwide. Imagine businesses of every size, from startups to Fortune 500 giants, relying on AWS to power everything from websites to global apps. The shift to the cloud isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, and AWS is leading the way. Whether you're just starting your career or already have experience in IT, learning AWS is a game changer. For freshers, AWS offers entry points as cloud support associates, junior solutions architects, or DevOps trainees. Each role gives you hands-on exposure to real cloud environments, helping you build crucial skills from the ground up. For experienced professionals, AWS certification paves the way to roles like cloud engineer, solutions architect, security specialist, and beyond. These positions aren't just about technical know-how. They offer excellent growth, higher salaries, and the chance to work on projects that shape the future of technology. Who can learn AWS? Anyone with curiosity and a willingness to adapt. Whether you come from a computer science background or are switching from another field, AWS training is designed to be accessible. Developers, administrators, managers, even business analysts all find value in these skills. In a world moving rapidly to the cloud, AWS expertise is more than a line on your resume. It's a passport to innovation, growth, and opportunities you might not have imagined. The journey starts with a single step. Are you ready to take it?